So in the first method, the syntax will be you have to give the table name and name of the columns, and you have to enter values and all the values 1, 2, 3, and again you have to use the same insert into table name column 1, 2, 3, again the column names, again the values, likewise it will go. Let's see it in a practical way. To insert into marks, my column name is name comma subject comma marks. Once you type, you will get the names. Once you press on tab, it automatically get filled. Close the bracket and values. So the first will be the name. So name I'm going to give it as David, and subject is, let's say, physics, and the marks he obtained is 95. I'm going to copy this complete query, enter, paste it again. I'm going to change the name it from David to Warner, and this is chemistry, and the marks is 89. Third will be my Anthony. And okay, let's take the same subjects for everyone. Physics only. So Anthony scored 92.